Abram, are you saying Dada? Where's Dada? Where is he?
Here I am. Here I am, buddy. You can stop talking now.
As soon as I'm recording, huh? Dada! Can you say Dada? Dada?
Wow.
Are you saying blah blah blah? Dada? You're doing really good for being on your 16th hour in the car.
See, he likes it.
Yeah. Yeah, you're doing so good. Dada! Good job, my buddy boy. Abram, look over here. Can you say, Dada? Good job. Good job. Dada? Dada.